How to install 4-light Advena square frame chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Screw the stem on the joint of the arm. And then screw the stem on the upper fixture loop assembly. Adjust the arms to the proper position. Insert the outer arms into upper fixture circuit assembly and lower fixture circuit assembly. Align the holes and fix with screws. Attach the quick link to connect the chain and the loop on the top end of loop assembly. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.